Tropical Cyclone Jasper has re-intensified into a Category 2 system and is forecast across the Queensland coast later today. Now, it's already delivered over 100 millimetres of rainfall to a number of locations about the coast, and has also brought damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres per hour, including a 111 kilometre per hour gust at Low Isles just off Port Douglas. Now, looking at the rain radar since this morning, we can see these spiraled showered cloud bands feeding into the tropical cyclone that's currently located around 125 kilometres east-southeast of Cooktown, moving westwards at 7 k's an hour. Now, you can see the heaviest rain is associated with these bands on the southern flank in that onshore flow. Now, we have a tropical cyclone warning within this orange area here, so stretching from Cape Melville all the way down to Cardwell and inland to the Atherton tablelands. We're forecasting the system to cross the coast near Wujal between Cooktown and Port Douglas later today as a Category 2 system. Now, within this orange area here, we're forecasting heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding and also damaging wind gusts. However, nearer the system and slightly on the southern flank between Cooktown and Port Douglas, we're forecasting locally intense rainfall that may lead to life-threatening flash flooding and also destructive winds to start to develop from this afternoon and continue into this evening. Now, as we move into tonight and into tomorrow, the system should quickly weaken once it makes landfall, weakening into a tropical low. However, it's still going to pack a punch even though it does weaken down, dragging with it the heavy rainfall and that damaging wind inland, and then gradually moving out into the Gulf of Carpentaria on Friday. Now, there's a risk that it will redevelop into a tropical cyclone once it's over the Gulf waters during Friday or into the weekend, but there's a lot of uncertainty and it's highly dependent on how long that tropical low remains over those warm Gulf waters. So in the meantime, however, we do also have a severe weather warning throughout southern inland parts of the Cape York Peninsula, and this is for damaging wind gusts and also heavy rainfall, locally intense rainfall to start to develop during tomorrow. So that's after the tropical cyclone weakens and moves westwards. So if you live anywhere within that warning area between Cape Melville and Cardwell, then it's really important to stay up to date with our 1 hourly tropical cyclone warnings at the moment, which you can access via our website or our app. And of course, listen to all advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.